Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover Simple Bank, and I'm just going to share with you my experience with them. I'm not a representative of theirs or in any way, shape, or form getting compensated for just speaking my opinion and my experience through Simple. Um, I just wanted to share with people more of my banking experience, really, and this will be actually my first video in the set of videos that I'm planning on producing for you all, um, just to share my knowledge and what I've come to know about different accounts and such. So let's get right into it. What we're looking at right here is the main screen, the pop-up screen that if you Google Simple and you click on the on the first ad that pops up, this will come up. Now, why I chose Simple was because I was searching for a checking account that offered a higher APY, annual percentage yield. I myself do work as a teller at a bank, sorry. But I think really how the world is maneuvering and how we're developing and advancing technologically, um, you have a lot more opportunities banking online, and I for one can tell you right now, if you're considering banking online, you haven't opened an online account yet, they are safe if that is one of your concerns, because I speak to a lot of people about opening accounts online and they just don't trust the internet, and there are many reasons why you should not trust the internet, but I promise you, banking online is a safe um, activity, and in most cases, it is more beneficial for you to bank online because of the rates that you are offered by these banks. And back to the point of this video. So Simple. So I opened the account back in February 15th, and I committed an electronic transfer um, the 19th, so 4 days afterwards, and it was made available 2 days afterwards on the 21st. So fairly good speed, no hassle there. They do offer features to help you save and budget expenses. Um, and if you are like myself, very find it very difficult to save a lot of what you earn due to expenses and just different different liabilities, I would call it, because we do spend our money on liabilities and things we don't need, um, this will help you a lot. This tool, this bank, they pride themselves on their tools for saving, for budgeting. Just goal-oriented people will find this very intuitive and helpful as well. Now, what Simple does, if you were to spend your money, they offer a feature to keep track of your purchases by adding photos and notes. You may search through merchant name, a keyword, or hashtag as well for those expenses. So let's say you bought ice cream and you wanted to recall that particular expense. All you would have to do, place the name of the ice cream, the place that you were shopping at, take a photo of it, or you can use a keyword or hashtag for that specific memory, that specific expense. Now let's go down and review their homepage, which is actually, it's aesthetically pleasing to look at, to be honest with you. It's very, for lack of a better term, and no pun intended, simple. Yeah, how it works, they just pretty much just a brief explanation of what they're about. Just scrolling down here, they do offer you right here links if you're wondering more information, and they provide articles for you to read as well. Here we go, and they do have they place this best new update here. I downloaded the application on my phone. Currently they're sitting at 3.7 stars with 1,001 ratings. It's I suppose it's not bad. Um, they're fairly new to the market, as you can see right here. I actually looked them up on Instagram as well, and their oldest Instagram post dates back to April 22nd, 2014. So yeah, they've been established for some time now. You know, about to be 5 years in the making, and really they do pride themselves on these pictures, these photos, very aesthetically pleasing, and um, yeah, very nice photos. Very nice. They're from Portland, Oregon. That's where their headquarters are at. So up top here we have account features, just the basic stuff. All of these links provide articles with more information on on their topic, about Simple, their history, the careers that they offer with them, which is extensive to be honest with you. If you want to check that out too, blog as well. Accumulated throughout the years, just everything that they have to say, their own stamp on history, and then help. This is very important. ATM finder, especially if you're going to utilize your debit card with them, your Simple card, your Visa card. You will want to see where the nearest ATMs are located. I am in South Florida, so there are plenty of ATM um, machines available around me. So once you log into Simple, I will show you this. This is the first home screen that you are sent to when you log in. It's, you know, fairly simple again, like I said. I haven't done any expenses. I haven't done any shopping. I haven't used the card. I haven't even activated the card really. So there is nothing here for me to utilize so far. Like I said, I will be using this account mainly for savings. Yeah, this is basically what they offer here in the main site. They do have the Share Simple feature that they still have not yet fixed here. This has been here since I opened the account with them. We will see how soon they can get this back up. Basically, I believe you earn $25 if I'm not mistaken. Every time you refer someone to Simple. So we'll see when that is back up again. If you have to move money between banks, between accounts, this feature, you can utilize it here. Like I said, they pride themselves on savings and budgeting tools. So obviously here's a save for expenses option here. And if we click start now, you can place dates, you can place amounts that you will need, the reasons for them as well. Here we'll see, the different suggestions that they have, rent, mortgage, groceries, phone payments, electricity. You can put just about anything here. You can also schedule funds to be transferred. So there's a goals sheet here. If you do not maintain a balance of 2,000 at least with them, they will only credit your account. I believe it's 0.01% APY, annual percentage yield. So that doesn't really help so much, really. So yeah, I did make a goal for myself by January of next year. Here, we'll see how well that goes. And yeah, here is support right here, where you can message them and let them know any if you have any inquiries, any concerns that you'd like to bring up to them, any questions that you have on their services as well. If you want to place a travel notice, if you're traveling out of state, out of the country, that helps as well. If you want to block your card, you can do that immediately if you recognize there's a suspicious transaction that you did not make. You can also just block the card, and they will do that immediately. They're very good in responding time, really. And yeah, they give you their phone number here. They're very approachable, I would say, very approachable. On your icon here, you can get access to the account numbers, account settings. You can also share the account with another person, and both of you can reap the benefits of banking with Simple Bank here. Direct deposit, you can set that up with your employer on an external account. Manage external accounts as well. You have access to your statements, your simple cards that you have with them, and then also you can sign up here. Let's see what the question mark has. Find fee-free ATMs, support articles, policies and agreements, keyboard shortcuts. So yeah, everyone, that was my review of Simple. If there's any questions that you may have, any additional inquiries or concerns, anything that you wanted me, that you would like for me to research for you, or any other questions on banking that you may have, please feel free to leave any comments down below. And yeah, let me know if there's any other accounts that you would like me to review or me to learn about. If anything, this is all just a learning experience for us all. I wish you all great success on all your banking endeavors and just life endeavors in general. It was a pleasure making this video for you all, and hopefully this provides a lot of information for many years to come for everyone. If you're new to Simple, I hope you also enjoy your experience with them, as I certainly have.